بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our English language lessons for the second year. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hadithi. So as you can see on your screen, we will have enrichment activities. So these are activities that will be focusing on unit friends and neighbors. So in any case, for any reason you've missed the lessons before, this will be your chance to catch what you have missed. Okay, so we will try to cover all the important information that was in our unit friends and neighbors. Let's start. Bismillah. In this lesson, or in these enrichment activities, we will describe people based on their outfits. Okay, what are they wearing? Also, we will practice reading, and again, in order to do that, we will be doing a lot of exercises. So let's start. This is our enrichment activities, and as I told you, we will have it focused or dedicated for unit number 3, neighbors and friends. So we will be covering all the important information that was in lesson 1, 2, 3 and 4. Lesson 1, 2 and 3 and 4. This is the name of our unit. As you can see, neighbors and friends, I have plural nouns, neighbors and friends. Now, let's start with one of the important grammar rules that we had in this unit. Can, cannot, or can't. Okay, what's the meaning? What's the difference? How to use can and cannot? As you can see here, I have two figures saying can't. The other one is saying can. So there are things that us as a human, I can do this, but I cannot do the other thing. For example, I can speak English. I can speak Arabic, but I cannot speak German. I cannot speak Chinese. Okay, so there are things we can do. We can walk, we can talk, but we cannot fly, for example. Okay, so let's practice. As you can see here, I have two boys trying to swim. Do you think they both can swim? Can they both swim? Now, for the first one, he's about to drown. Okay, so to describe this picture, we will say he can't swim. He cannot swim. He's about to drown. Okay, so he can't swim. But the other boy, he seems to have a very good time swimming. So we will describe the picture saying he can swim. He can swim. Very good. So let's read. He can't swim. He can swim. So he cannot swim. He can swim. Now let's have two more pictures. Form a sentence with can or cannot. Now I have two pictures. The picture to your left, I have three words. He, cook, not. Okay, let's try to form a sentence using these three words. Do you think he's a good cook? He's a good chef. Do you think he can cook? The answer is he can't cook. He can't cook. Very good. He cannot cook. He just caused a fire. There's a big fire. Okay, so he can't cook. Now, for the second pictures, I have a kangaroo jump. What do you think? What do you think? How can we describe this picture? By saying it can jump, or kangaroos can jump. Very good. So let's read our answers one more time. He can't cook. It can jump. Let's read one last time. He can't cook. It can jump. Very good. Let's move to the next one. Now here complete using again can and cannot. Now I have a fish for the first picture. I have a sailor for the second one. Now a fish swim in the sea, but it ride a bike. Remember, we need to complete this with can and can't. What do you think? How can we complete this one? A fish, very good, a fish can swim in the sea, but it can't ride a bike. Very good. A fish can swim in the sea, but it can't ride a bike. Now let's move to the sailor. I have a sailor here. So a sailor work on a ship. He work on an airplane. Remember, we need to use can and can't. What do you think? A sailor can work, very good, can work on a ship, but he can't or cannot work on an airplane. Very good. So let's read. A sailor can work on a ship. He can't work on an airplane. Very good. So I have a fish that cannot do certain things, and also I have a sailor that can and cannot do other certain things. Now here, complete, I have two animals, complete using can or can't. The first one, I have a mouse. Mice, or they, run, but they swim. We need to complete using can and can't. So they, very good, can run. They can run, but they can't swim. Very good. They can swim. So they can run. That's one of the things they can do. But they can't swim. Swimming is something that they can't do. Next, I have an ostrich. An ostrich is what? It's a kind of bird, but it's a unique bird because, what do you think? Ostriches, they can't fly. Although they're birds, but they can't fly. They cannot fly, but they can run. Actually, they are very fast. They are very fast. So let's read our sentences one last time. They can run, but they can't swim. They cannot fly, but they can run. Very good, very good. Now, also in this unit, we cover some ing verbs. These are verbs that end in ing. Okay, let's give some examples. Now let's describe what is this boy doing. What is he doing, my dear student? Is he reading? Is he riding? Is he sleeping? Is he eating? No, the answer is he is jumping. He is jumping. So let's read one more time. Jumping. Jumping. He is jumping. He is jumping. Very good. So what is he doing? He is jumping. How about this man? What is he doing? What is he doing? He is throwing the ball. Very good. He is throwing. So let's read. Throwing. Throwing. One more time. Throwing. One last time. Throwing. Very good. So what is he doing? He is throwing the ball. He is throwing the ball. Let's go to the next one. How about this kid or this child? What is he doing? What is he doing? He is, very good, he is playing. Very good, playing. Let's read. Playing. Playing. One more time. Playing. One last time. Playing. Very good. So he is playing. Moving to the next girl. What is she doing? The girl in the middle. What is she doing? She is, very good, she is jumping. Jumping. One more time. Jumping. One last time. Jumping. Very good. So what is she doing? She is jumping. Excellent. Now, here I have 4 kids doing 4 different things. You need to give me what is each and every boy doing. What kind of activity is he doing? So let's start with the first boy. What do you think? What is he doing? He is, very good, he is riding a bike. Very good. What is he doing? He is riding a bike. Let's repeat. Riding a bike. Riding a bike. One more time. Riding a bike. One last time. Riding a bike. Very good. Right next to him, I have another boy. What is he doing? What is he doing? He is very good, playing soccer. Playing soccer. One more time, playing soccer. One last time, playing soccer. Very good, very good. How about the boy right next to him? What is he doing? Is he playing soccer? No, he is playing tennis. Very good, playing tennis. Playing tennis. One more time, playing tennis. One last time, playing tennis. Very good. How about the last boy? What is he doing? He is running. Very good. He is running. Very good. Let's read again. Running. Running. One more time. Running. One last time. Running. Very good. So let's read our answers one last time. Riding a bike, playing soccer, playing tennis, and running. Very good. Now, take a look at these 6 figures. What can you tell? What can you tell? Only by looking at these 6 figures that we will talk about what? Are we going to talk about can and can't? Are we going to talk about ing verbs? No, we are going to talk about feelings or emotions, okay? I need to know the other people's feeling or emotions. What are they going through? How can I know this? By asking this question. How do you feel today? Now, if you need to know how the other person is feeling, just go ahead and ask this question. How do you feel today? How do you feel today, my dear student? If you get this question, if someone asks you this question, the answer could be one of these several answers. For example, how do you feel today? So I really hope that you are happy. So you can say, I am happy, I am happy. Or unfortunately, I am sad, I am sad, okay? Or we could say, I am tired, I am tired. Or perhaps I am angry, I am angry. Or maybe I am excited. Or perhaps I am proud, okay? So as you can see, I have different feelings. I try to mimic the feeling for you. How do you feel today? It could be one of these different feelings. I always hope you are happy and safe. Now, let's start with these feelings one at a time. Try to describe this boy for me. How do you think he feels? How does he feel? He feels angry. Very good. He is very angry, okay? So let's read together. Angry. Angry. One more time. Angry. One last time. Angry. Very good. So I have an angry boy. Let's go to the next boy. How about this one? He's not angry. He needs something. He needs water because how does he feel? He feels thirsty. Very good. He feels thirsty. So let's read. Thirsty. Thirsty. One more time. Thirsty. One last time. Thirsty. Excellent, excellent. Now, how about this boy? He's not thirsty. He doesn't need water. He needs something else. He's thinking about food. Okay? So how does he feel? He feels hungry. Very good. Hungry. Hungry. One more time. Hungry. One last time. Hungry. Very good. Very good. How about this boy? How does he feel? How do you think he feels? He feels sad. Very good. He is sad. Very good. Let's read again. Sad. Sad. One more time. Sad. One last time. Sad. Very good. He is sad. How about this man? How does he feel? How does he feel? He feels sleepy. Very good. Sleepy. So let's read again. Sleepy. Sleepy. One more time. Sleepy. One last time. Sleepy. Very good. So I have a sleepy man. How about this clown? What do you think? He is. How does he feel? He feels funny. Very good. Funny. Let's read again. Funny. Funny. One more time. Funny. One last time. Funny. Very good. So I have a funny clown. Now how about this student? How do you think he feels? What does he feel? He feels, I hope you're not like this student, he is lazy. He is lazy. Very good. So let's read. Lazy. Lazy. One more time. Lazy. One last time. Lazy. Very good. Now how about this boy? How will you describe this boy? He is what? How does he feel? He feels happy. Of course, he feels happy. Very good. So let's read again. Happy. Happy. One more time. Happy. One last time. Happy. Very good. Now, let me go through the pictures one more time before we go to the reading part. Here, let's go ahead and try to describe this boy. How does he feel, my dear student? Try to remember. What do you think? He is angry. Very good. He is angry, or he feels angry. How about this boy? Try to remember as fast as possible. He is thirsty. Very good. He is thirsty. Excellent. How about the next one? All he can think about is food. Okay, he can only think about food because he is hungry. He feels hungry. Very good. So I have a hungry boy, and here I have, what do you think? Unfortunately, I have a sad boy. I have a sad boy. Very good. How about this man? How does he feel? He feels sleepy. Very good. He feels sleepy. Very good. And for this clown, if we are going to describe him, how does he feel? He feels funny. Very good. He feels funny. And here I have, what do you think? I have a lazy student. I have a lazy student. And last but not least, I have a happy boy. I have a happy boy. Now, you can find all these adjectives in your books at page 42. Now, I need you to open this book with me, and let's go ahead and read this as many times as we can. Look and read. Happy, funny, angry, hungry, thirsty, sleepy, lazy, and sad. Let's read again. Let me ask you about the first boy. How does he feel, my dear student? How does the first boy feel? He feels happy. Very good. He feels happy. Okay. How about boy number 2? How does he feel? He feels funny. Very good. He feels funny. How about the third boy? How does he feel? He feels angry. Very good. He feels angry. Now, how about number 4? How does he feel? He feels hungry. Very good. How about the 5th boy, or boy number 5? He feels thirsty. Boy number 6 feels sleepy. Boy number 7 feels lazy. And for the last boy number 8, he feels sad. Very good. So let's read our adjectives one last time. Happy, funny, angry, hungry, thirsty, sleepy, lazy, and sad, And remember, always remember never to be angry, because we have been asked and advised by Prophet Muhammad never to get angry for any reason. Now, fill with the correct feelings. Here I have the same man going through 3 different emotions or 3 different feelings. Okay, let's describe the first man. How does he feel? How does the first man feel? He feels Sleepy, very good. He feels sleepy. Excellent. So he feels sleepy. How about the one in the middle? How does he feel? How does he feel? How do you think he feels? He feels, unfortunately, sad. He is sad. Very good. And for the last man, he is very what? Very angry. Remember, never to get angry for any reason. So I have sleepy man, a sad man, and an angry man. 3 different feelings. So let's go ahead and revise what we have learned in our enrichment activities, my dear students. We discuss adjectives, different kind of adjectives, and we were able to describe different kind of feelings. He feels sad, he feels angry, I feel happy, I hope you are happy too. Also, we practice using ing verbs. She's playing, he is swimming, they are riding a bike, and also we were able to use can and can't properly. So that was my enrichment activities, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.